Good morning, and welcome to this meditation on intentionally making your bed. Whilst still lying in your bed, take some deep, relaxed, conscious breaths. Now stretch the full length of your bed, with your arms stretched over your head and back towards the wall. Point your feet and toes, stretching long through your body whilst taking some nice breaths. Wiggle your shoulders and fingers and make this stretch feel really good. It's time to sit up now and pop your feet onto the ground. And be totally present to how it feels to have your feet on the floor. Move up out of bed and stand straight and tall, lifting up out of your hips whilst taking in a long breath down into your belly and a long stretch upwards. Enjoy the stretch and breathe. Keep the process of making your bed slower than usual. Begin to make your bed. Be as present as you can. Noticing how the fabrics feel and the sounds that are made as you straighten your sheets, pillows, and blankets. Continue to take conscious breaths too. I will keep time for you for the next minute as you finish making the bed, opening the curtains, and anything else that needs to be done before you leave your bedroom. You will hear a chime when I am about to speak again. A fabulous meditation to follow on from this one is called Morning Affirmations to start your day. The link will appear on the video. If you would like more daily meditations, please like this video. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.